are in Bilbao, País Vasco, to join hands with our Nigerian youth to come against police brutalities and bad government with a movement with IBE.
She's the one behind the manifestation here that we're having now because of the Nigerian bad government we have in Nigeria. But what do you have to say about the manifestation we have?
Oh, good. This is the best desire. We need to do this because we need to end nepotism, corruption. We need to end SARS in Nigeria. SWAT is not necessary anymore. We know they are beginning to train people for SWAT, but please, we don't need them. And all those people that were killed in the toll gates, in Lekki toll gates, the blood of those boys, those kids are on top of the politicians who are behind this.
The government actually denied it.
No, he cannot deny it because this thing is. He cannot deny it because this thing is a problem. Like it's a thing. They asked the light in Lekki toll gate and they took out their actions. It cannot be denied. Even the unborn children in Nigeria is aware of this.
Okay, now what do you think Nigeria actually needs now? What do you think is the next step for us?
We have said it several times. They should end SARS, end SWAT, they should end nepotism, end corruption. I'm personally against any politician who is a governor, an ex-governor. He will go back to the House of Senate. What nonsense! That nonsense should stop in Nigeria. Why should somebody serve 8 years and still go back to the Senate? They should end police brutality in Nigeria. Our brothers are dying. Youths are dying, and they said the youths are the leaders of tomorrow. How will they be leaders of tomorrow if they are dying? If they are killing them every time?
Okay, like now, for the past 13 days now of this protest, Buhari has been silent on this issue. Some actually said Buhari is dead. Some said Buhari is in America. Some said he's in UK. What do you think Buhari is?
Buhari can be wherever he is, but one thing I know is that Buhari is now too old to be the president of Nigeria. We're talking of somebody who is above 85 years. He's above 85 years and he's not. How do you expect? So he needs to rest. He needs to take care of his great-grandchildren. He needs to take care of his grandchildren. He's not supposed to be in Aso Rock. And that is why he is silent about it. You will not blame me because I blame those Nigerians who voted for APC and voted Buhari into power. And I think they should be very ashamed of themselves now. They should be very, very ashamed of themselves because some of them are already victims of this problem right now in Nigeria. But Tinubu, we know what you're doing, and we know, we Nigerians in diaspora, we really know that you're behind all these things, and your co-hosts.
Okay, man. So now the suggestion is that bad governance must go and Buhari must go. Buhari, APC and PDP. Or do you have any power, any party that you support?
Well, to be sincere, I will not deny the party I'm supporting. I'm for PDP all the way. I'm for PDP all the way. I'm for PDP all the way.
Okay, man. What about the coffin? Like, someone declared coffin yesterday and they declared coffin also in Benin. And do you think they should take away the coffin or they should keep declaring the coffin?
You know what? Someone who is a bit might be innocent about all these things, but yeah, but he is a boy to Tinubu, and we are reliably informed that Tinubu entered into France today. Tinubu is in France, but we are going to trace him out in France because where we are staying is not far away from France. And all the Nigerians in diaspora in France should look for Tinubu. Tinubu is in France. He arrived in France today.
Okay, man. We all have one voice. The president must go. Tinubu must go. APC must go, and PDP must go. So thank you very much.
Attends, vous te groupe, hein? Là, bien.
One
that is bounding us in unity, peace and unity, we have to fight for this ending of SARS. Because it is very compulsory. If the national anthem is saying that we are a country that is bound in peace and unity, that means the country, we must have peace in that country. And if they don't want us to have peace in that country, Nigeria should be flushed out of the system. The Nigerian government should go to hell. If they don't want peace in Nigeria, they should wipe out the national anthem. Because if what is in the national anthem will not be followed, then it should be wiped out. They should take it to anywhere. Please, because we are joining our brothers and sisters in Nigeria, we are commiserating with them. Please, can we give 1 minute respect? And in this 1 minute respect, please, we are all going to kneel down and raise one hand up as like Black Lives Matters. Because those of our brothers and our sisters who died in the hands of SARS and all those things they are doing yesterday, we have to give them 1 minute silence and respect, please. Yes, thank you very much. President! Nigeria. Enough is enough!
Amen.
De Nigeria, asesino. Policía de Nigeria, asesino. Militar de Nigeria, asesino. Están matando a nuestros hijos. Ayúdanos, por favor. Policía de Nigeria, ¡vamos! Policía de Nigeria, asesino. Please stop killing your people.
The House of Women. Buhari got that. That one not Buhari.
I don't know.
Today I got the pictures, the two pictures, different.
Not be Buhari.
We have the two people like that. This is Bigoria.
Buhari must go. Assassino. 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 Ex-governors cannot be senators. Very important.
As we all know, we are here to fight against bad governance. And sir, please not drop in concerning the manifestation we are having here in Taiwan. Is there anything that you have to say?
One thing I have to say is the bad government of Nigeria, the bad rulers, SARS mistake. You understand? It's now going of killing innocent people. They have advantage and disadvantage. One of the advantage that the police are taking disadvantage over innocent Nigerians. So this injustice, inhumanity must stop.
So do you think there is a solution to this?
There is a solution. That is why we mark out to come for a peaceful demonstration. In fact, all this one is going on all over the world. That the peaceful demonstration we are fighting for the bad government to leave, for the bad rulers to leave, for the dictators to leave Nigeria.
Like the soldiers were out and they started killing the civilians. But when Osibajo came outside, the vice president and the governor of Lagos State, he said he knows nothing about it. What do you think about it, sir?
One thing, they know all these things they are doing. It's a political analysis. It's a political strategy. They know what they are doing. They are the people sending those soldiers to fight the civilians. So they know what they are doing. They say they don't know what they are doing. They are lying. So they should be held responsible for injustice that is going on in Nigeria.
But do you think Buhari is in Nigeria? Like we heard, some said Buhari is in America. Do you think he's actually in Nigeria, or he has run away from his responsibilities to America?
That's a question I don't know. I cannot answer it. The reason why I say Buhari is on the hideout. Nobody knows where he is.
Okay.
So he can hide for nobody cares. Okay. For nobody cares. Okay. We are going to continue this protest for 1 month.
Okay,
for the United Nations to come to aid of Nigeria.
Okay, to help bad government.
To help bad governments.
Okay.
So that we flush them out.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for your opinion.
Enough is enough. Yes, sir. Enough is enough. Yes, sir. We are here to make a manifestation against the police brutality in our country, Nigeria. Yes. We have come out to make a manifestation against the brutality of Nigeria. Enough is enough. Yes, Buhari, this message is for you. You deserve not to rule. You deserve not to be a president. You deserve not to be a father, because if you are, you will hear the cry of the citizens of Nigeria. Enough is enough. Enough is enough, Buhari. If you have been a mother, you know the feeling of caring for a child. If you've been a mother to rule a country, you know the feeling of a child. Enough is enough, Buhari. 60 years is not a 60 months. 60 years is not a 60 weeks. 60 months is not 60 seconds, Buhari. Listen to me, Buhari. Enough is enough. We have shed enough blood. The blood we have shed is enough. Enough is enough, Buhari. We have cried enough. We have sorrow enough. Just because of only you. We have a staying home and away. We have a staying home and away, Buhari. Because of you, we don't have a good economy. We don't have a good road. We don't have good facilities. We don't have good medical. We don't have good roads. We don't have good education. We don't have good electricity. What else do you want us to do? What else do you want to do? When it comes to the time of vote, we vote for you for to come. We vote for you for to rule Nigeria. Enough is enough, Mr. Buhari and your candidate. Your cabal, enough is enough for you all. Remember, one day you will go back home, and all the things you're looking at, it will be wasted. Yes, all the things you're looking at, it will be wasted. Yes. You don't want any power. You don't want any power. One thing that I know, you don't deserve to rule. You don't deserve to rule. You don't deserve as a father. You don't deserve to rule as a president in the country. And not with the name Mr. Buhari. Thank you very much. Praise Nigeria. Praise Nigeria. Area. Thank you very much.
Great Nigerians. Greatest Nigerians. Please.
Yeah, my name is MC Kampala. Nigeria system government is not working. The president is not our president because he don't care about the people. In 36 states, almost about 12 states, a lot of youth have lost their life. Women, men, child, all of them. And the economic system is not working. People can't eat 3 square meals in Nigeria. Food is it's not all about SARS or SWAT. They just use that one to bring this protest. Right now, Nigeria is not fighting about protest. Nigeria is coming for revolution about bad leaders, bad police, bad government. They are looting the money, carry the money to Switzerland, to bank, the masses. They use all clothes. Nigeria did not celebrate independence. 60 years, nothing to show for. Everywhere was massacre. Yesterday on the 20th October 2020, we lost close to 20 people in Lekki, in Tollgate. Soldiers kill people that are protesting peacefully. Tinubu and the state governor, Olu, I don't know what, Sowolu, they sent soldiers to go and kill people protesting in the evening by 6 o'clock yesterday on the 20th. Please, we want UN, United Nations, we want the United Kingdom to come and save Nigeria because Nigeria don't have the leaders. We have only zombie
the zombie ruling Nigeria don't care about human soul. We need peace in Nigeria. We don't want to divide Nigeria. We want to reform Nigeria, and we need another new government because Buhari government is kill and die. For the people that want to save Nigeria, they are killing the Nigeria. Number one, the police brutality, raping people, collecting people. Everybody in Nigeria, police will take the SARS will take them to ATM to withdraw all their money. The SARS, from then, after 1 week protest, they say they want to change it to swap. The masses say they don't need swap. They want SARS or swap to end totally. Right now, the government said they want to do crocodile tears with the soldier.
Okay, sir. What actually happened yesterday? Some said government did those things to threaten people, as in to threaten the youth to stay back in their homes. Do you think youth should actually stay back in their home, or we should continue the protest because they cannot kill us finish? They cannot finish killing us.
Yeah.
Youth are much in Nigeria. We own the Nigeria. We are the Nigerians. Youth are the Nigerians. So what they did actually yesterday was to just let the youth to stay back. So for us not to be voiced, for us to seize our voice, do you think those things actually count?
Yeah, what the federal government trying to do, because they don't want to allow this protest or this revolution to last for 30 days. Because in UN law, when the protest lasts for 30 days, the European Union will come and take over the government. So they try to keep people, to scare people away. Killing the people, you make the thing worse. Because the Buhari cannot address the people, number one. They will write every information on paper before it will come. They will work on the cameras. Buhari can't address the people. We don't have a government. Even the Osinbajo cannot talk. The people that put Buhari there is the Tinubu and the Obasanjo. Right now, who is the Boko Haram? Buhari is the leader of Boko Haram. Buhari is the leader of Boko Haram. We need new government. We want the youth to rule Nigeria. We don't need a man of 75 years, 80-something years to become a president of Nigeria. We just have a hypostat as Buhari. Buhari, that is not my Buhari. My Buhari died 2015 because right now Buhari is not in Nigeria. Buhari is not in Nigeria. We don't need Buhari. Saso, Swapo, all of them. We need new government in Nigeria.
Thank you very much, sir. We need new government in Nigeria. Buhari must step down. We don't need Buhari anymore in Nigeria. Thank you very much.